Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you seeing this face for the first time? You're highly welcome. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and please comment down below this video. And if you're a returning subscribers, you are welcome back. Thanks for always coming back. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to style your mini twist into a beautiful styles, different ways to style your mini twist. So come with me. Yeah, guys, so we've come to the end of the video. Guys, can you see the beauty? Yeah, it's beautiful. So far, so good. So we've come to the end of the video. Yeah, flaunt it, baby. It's beautiful, guys. So before you go, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, please like this video, and please comment down below. Thank you. I love you guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I love you. Yeah.